In this video, we'll show you what to do if you are getting this "we can't find your camera" error on your HP laptop. So the first thing you need to do is look for a camera button on your HP laptop. It's usually located on the side or at the top near the webcam. If you see a toggle like this, simply turn it off so that your camera can be used by the laptop. However, if you don't see such shutter, what you need to do is open the settings app on your HP laptop and then go to privacy and security. Now here scroll down and then click on camera. Now in this menu, make sure that the camera access toggle is enabled. Additionally, you need to ensure that the apps are allowed to use the camera, so make sure this toggle is also enabled. Then you can scroll through the list and make sure the app you are using has camera permission. Once you have done this, check if the camera is working. If it's still not working, right click on the start icon and then go to device manager from the list. Now in the device manager window, expand cameras. Now if you don't see this entry, click on this view button and then select show hidden devices. Now expand the camera section and then right click on the integrated camera and then choose uninstall device. Now tick this checkbox and then select uninstall again. Once you have done this, simply go ahead and restart your HP laptop and your issue should be resolved. However, if nothing else works, shut down your HP laptop completely and then turn it back on. As soon as you see the HP logo, press the escape key repeatedly to enter the BIOS menu. Here, press the F10 key to enter the BIOS settings. Now inside the BIOS settings, look for the integrated camera option and then make sure it's set to enable. Once you do this, you should be able to use the camera on your HP laptop without any issues.